What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And you guys know by the video is yes, going to be replacing the thermostat on the Gen 1 mazdaspeed 3. So I've got the code P0128 code, which technically the thermostat, or when you get that code, it's mainly the thermostat, or the thermostat is getting stuck open. So when you get that code, it's mainly the thermostat. You want to replace that, so that's what I got. I got a brand new one from Mazda. So yeah, it's gonna be on a video today, and I'll show you guys how to replace that. So let's get to the video. So this is what you need. You got your thermostat and 2 coolant bottles. I think the Mazda said it takes about 2, so I got 2 straight from Mazda. Here's the part number if you guys wondering for the thermostat. But yeah, this is straight from Mazda. Like I said, most of you know I get discounts from Mazda, so I always get my parts and stuff from them. So yeah, so let's get to this video. So the first step you want to do is you want to loosen your lug nuts and then jack up your wheel. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, you guys can see wheels off, have the jack and jack stand and the wheel. I do this just for safety, so you have extra safety. On these, I'm gonna show you guys. So your thermostat is right there. So I did on my speed 2, or my speed, second gen speed, and I don't remember taking off the power steering pump. I know I was doing it by hand right from here, and it was a freaking bitch. So I want to just go ahead and just do it this way, because I was trying to cheat the way. Or maybe I did take, I don't remember. But to make it more easier, you gotta loosen your belt, take the belt off from right here. Then you want to take off your power steering pump. So not fully off, you don't have to disconnect the hoses, nothing, just move to the side. So there's a bolt right here, there's a bolt right there, and there's one down. I don't know if you can see it, but it's underneath there. You just loosen that, and you should be able to just pull the power steering pump to the side like this. And yeah, so let me get the wrench, the tensioner. That's the reason why I have this up. So the tensioner is a 14. So what you want to do, your wrench, oops, wrong way. You want to come right here, go back, and I use a wand, so I'll take my take the bolt off, and I get back to you guys. All right, so took the one out here. It's right there. Then the other one, I use a wrench. I had to loosen it because it won't come all the way out because the lines right here is in the way. Then I got the bottom one loose already. So I use, it's a 12, I use that. I broke it loose with a wrench, a ratcheting wrench. Then I just use that. Like I say, you don't got enough room. So, all right, so see, there you go. So take the 3 bolts out, the 3 12s, just move it to the side like this, and look at all that room. You can get everything. There's 3 bolts for the thermostat. I'm gonna, so now you wanna drain your coolant. So you wanna open, well no, I'll open it once I have the bucket on there. So it might be a little bit warm because I drove the car, I went to work today. So I'll show you where you can drain your coolant at. All right, so under the car, so we'll show you. So if you go on the driver's side of your radiator, and there's an opening. Let me see if I can get it there. See, like you can use a flathead or a Phillip. You unscrew that all the way out, and then you can put it'll drain your coolant. So I'm gonna screw that all the way out, and then once you do that, you just put your bucket so you catch it, and then open the cap. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys. All right, so I loosen the cap and take the cap off, and you can see how it's draining out. Most of it's a little bit gray, but most of mine is water. But there you go. You just drain it all the way out. So I'm gonna let that drain, let it go for a little bit, and then I'll come back to you guys for the next step. So while that's draining, so now there's gonna be 3/8 3 bolts is going to be an 8. Or wait, yeah, it looks like it's going to be 8. So you're going to get some pliers and take these hoses off first, so you can seat all the bolts and have room to pull it out. So that's what you're going to do. So I'm going to get some pliers, take those hoses off, and I'll come back to you guys. And that's simple. Now it's, everything's out in the open. The hose is off. You can see everything. So now you just get your, you can see there's a rod harness in the way right here. But you just move that back. And you can see pull right there. There's one right there, and there's one underneath you can see too. So you just get your 8s and take it off. Then that thermostat will come off. So I will take those 3 bolts off, and I'll come back to you guys. There you go. Have it out. Here's the old one right here. So now get your new one. So here's your new one. It's the OEM one, straight from Mazda. The new seal. It comes with a new seal, everything, all that. So next step, you just go in reverse. Put the 3 bolts back. Put this in. Put the 3 bolts, and go from there. So I'm gonna put this on, get the bolts started, and I'll come back to you guys. There you go, the thermostat is now on. So now the next step is just going back to reverse. Put your coolant hose back on, you put your power steering pump back on, bolt it up, and you put your belt. Make sure you guys don't forget to plug your radiator plug back in. I'm gonna do that right now, but I'll come back to you guys when I have everything back together. There you go, everything's back on. Belt, power steering pump, everything's plugged up from the radiator. Make sure that the plug was plugged in. Everything's good, back to normal. So now just add your coolant. So I'm gonna add a coolant, and I get back to you guys. So it's about one and a half. Let me see. Yeah, I got like a half left. So next, have it like that. Next, you want to turn the car on and just turn the heater on all the way up and let it do its thing. So I don't think there's a bleeding procedure with the Mazdaspeeds, because what I usually do, even with the Gen 2, I top it off with the coolant. I turn the car on with the AC or the heater on full blast, then it goes down, and I just top it off, and that's it. That's what I always do. I never had no problems doing it. It never overheats, anything like that. So that's what I do. Don't quote me on that. Maybe it's some you guys do a different way, but that's just how I do it. But yeah, so let's turn the car on and go from there. First, turn the heater all the way on, all the way up, just like that. On it. Just look for leaks. Be sure nothing's leaking. That's from when I was pouring it. I don't see nothing leaking, so everything's good. So yeah, just let it run, let it idle, let it warm up, then you should see bubbles coming out. Once you don't see no bubbles on board, it goes lower than what it is. Top it off, you should be good to go. And there you guys have it. That's how you replace your thermostat on your mazdaspeed 3. It should be, it's a little bit different for the Gen 1 or the Gen 2. Maybe it's the same, I don't remember, but that's for the Gen 1, that's how you do it. Easy way to take the power steering pump off so you can put your hand and fit your hand all through there, making it more easier. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know in the bottom of the video, in the comments, what you think about this video. I got something else coming for the Gen 1, so stay tuned to that, guys. But till then, thanks for watching. Peace.